What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. Also, please make sure you swing by, check my website out. That's right, Markie Williams Online Certification Course. Show some love over there as well, so let's get in it. Here I will go over how to remotely make online money with Remotasks. When it comes to this platform, they will actually provide a free bootcamp course that will teach you how to do the task prior to actually doing it. You will also get trained, certified in difficult tasks in order to get paid much more. There will be a page for you to fill out for the registrations. Just make sure you have time to devote at least 1 week of training for the upcoming task you're applying for. Remotasks is a pay-per-task based web portal. It allows users to work for simple tasks and earn money. Remotasks is a trade name for smart ecosystem. So how much do you get paid from Remotasks? Well, this depends on a couple of factors. 1. The task at hand. What is the difficulty level of work you're doing? 2. How fast can you do it? And 3. Your availability. From checking out a few sources, you can make as low as $18 an hour, but like I said, depending on the difficulty, meaning to fill the work, you could really be cashing in when it comes to AI design, high-end data entry, transcribing text and audio, and also data collection. Freelancers jump on board when it comes to remote work through Remotasks. These jobs keep them busy in their downtime. Remotasks is available in these states and much more, such as District of Columbia, Florida, Mississippi, Georgia, Minnesota, Missouri, and Montana. Remotasks pay workers for completing tasks through various payment methods such as Payoneer, PayPal, and other options depending on your location. Some people are wondering, can you earn a living from Remotasks? Well, you're not really going to get wealthy from working, but it's still an excellent way to earn some extra cash on the side. But it will be something other than your full-time job. The work can be wearisome from time to time, so there's only for some. The platform is very competitive, so it must be efficient, accurate to make good money. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe to don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams and I'm out.